Becoming an affiliate marketer is in many ways the perfect business model. Here's a way to earn money online while you sleep, without even having to build a product. This is the method that is most commonly promoted by internet marketing gurus and that has reportedly helped them to live the lifestyles of their dreams, to buy their own private jets, and to generally enjoy the kind of lifestyle that was once the sole reserve of famous celebrities and extremely successful CEOs. You may be wondering if this is all too good to be true. Can you really earn that much money while you sleep? By selling someone else's product? If that's true, then why aren't more people online billionaires? Here's the truth. It absolutely is possible to earn a huge amount of money online as an affiliate marketer. Plenty of people genuinely have made a huge amount of money by selling affiliate products online. The problem? The methods that they share very often don't reflect the best strategies that you should employ. Why? This often comes down to one of two things. One, they don't want you to know the techniques they are actually using to get rich. Newsflash, it's selling those books to you. Two, they actually aren't that successful. That's because a large proportion of the people who are successful are already living on a sunny island somewhere and no longer need to sell ebooks. The intention of this book is to cut through the noise, to do away with the distracting nonsense, and to instead focus on just what actually works. In other words, this book will explain to you how you actually sell a product successfully. That means teaching you the very strategies that were probably used to sell you this book. That's not a bad thing, by the way. The very fact that you have been a customer means that you will have a great idea of what it is that appeals to someone when buying an ebook. You can get inside the minds of your customers. What you're really going to learn then is a set of tools and strategies, a number of different methods and concepts that you can apply when selling anything. That will help you to be highly successful. Ready to start making some huge sales? Want to get rich from a product without even having to own a product to sell? Then go through all of the training. You're going to learn to do all those things. I hope you're excited, because this could be the start of something awesome.